Khul Ngakpa political armed group chaona khennaba Khul Ngakliba Criminalize Touriba Asi Achumba Khongthang Natte haina Lok Sabha member Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam na phongdorakli. The Brinnan Loba khennaba interview amada wafam asi phongdokladuna magna makata na hai. Tongan political parties amade political parties asigi lujingba masa khudong janaba linkhat halaliba political armed group aside laibaki natraga yamgi thabak tawba natte. Makoidi hojik tholiba irang asigi khudong chaban lawtuna masagi oiba thabak tawbane adum oina mak village volunteer hairaga su khangnariba Khul Ngakpa aside masagi maram amasung masagi lanthung ngaknabagi tamak thorakhibane laingakna laukhatfam thokpa action matam chana laukhalaktabadagi Khul Ngakpa asigi fibamna yadabana Khul ngaknabagi tamak thorakhibane makoida criminal amagum yengbade Achumba Khongthang oiroi Khul Ngakpa asi deal tawnabagi damak akhannaba policy ama lengang sefam to e nakal amarom da politician singna sagalakpa armed group asidi haukiba Lok Sabha election da aran ahui kaya chathabada zinakiba aduna achobo khudam ama oire makoina lamdam asigi maira paibi da fawba khut thaduna boot capture tawkhibagi khudam changdam hojiksu leide maram aduna Khul Ngakpaga armed political group manabam bityengna yengba yaroi haina so magna makha tana phongdokhe.
Am I making sense? And to ensure that these village volunteers are treated differently.
From the insurgents?
Yeah, no, these political armed groups on the one side or these elements propped up by these politicians which you have seen during the elections. So there are elements who are taking advantage of this conflict situation. Those should be segregated. Definitely my position since my before election also, I've said it very clearly, village volunteers, or in Manipuri we call it Khul Ngakpa, these are young men and women who were forced to take up, to defend themselves. This responsibility, take up this responsibility of defending themselves and their property. They cannot be criminalized, and there has to be a policy to deal with this separately. And obviously you have political armed groups. This is also a political issue. You cannot simply treat it as a law and order problem. But definitely those other elements who are creating troubles and intimidating people, taking advantage of this conflict situation, must be dealt with firmly.